We're here at the Illinois River in Gore, Oklahoma. You know, we're here to catch some trout, maybe some bluegills if we're lucky. My boy Fung here, the fishing has not been hot for him, so
it has not, man.
Today's gonna change.
It's been a struggle.
There's no shade, so this might suck. Okay. Well.
You guys want to go swimming?
Hell no.
I want to.
Wave to the camera, Will.
I do.
Fung, you gotta wave to the camera.
Hi, Dad.
Well,
Agree with it.
we ain't catch it. So we're gonna be moving spots. Alright, y'all, so we didn't catch anything at the Illinois River in Gore, so we just moved on to the 10 Killer Dam, where our video begins. Okay, Will, let's go, baby. We got fish. Okay. Oh, let's go, baby. Bro. Okay. Is that striper?
Yes, it is a striper, bro. I think
Okay. Beautiful work, beautiful work. Okay.
Is it trout? No, striper, right?
Oh, hey, hey.
Oh, never mind.
Hey, wait, don't lose it, don't lose it. Here, wait.
Who's next? Who wants to use this pole next?
Oh, bro, this thing's kind of big.
I got my fair share, bro.
Okay,
Who's
bro.
next?
Will, you want to take out the hook?
Yeah, I got
You got it. Let's take your picture.
Okay.
Oh, wait, here, let's get in the bed. I'm gonna go on the other side.
you. Ooh.
Okay, bro.
Yes, sir.
How heavy you think that is?
Oh, I got a
That's
balance.
at least 1.5 pounds, bro.
Yeah, we can weigh it. Smile. Hold it up straight, like, or yeah, that's fine.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Fishy, fishy. Fish, fish, make kites, make kites. Fish, fish, make kites, make kites. Fish, fish, make kites, make kites. Fishy, fishy.
Fish mix bites are succulent and breaded to perfection. So take a trip to Mickey D's and get your service.
Fish, fish, make kites, make kites.
Y'all, it's your big time anglers, Anthony and John. We're here at the gathering place trying to find a nice fishing spot. Oh, these rocks eat my cheeks. Okay, we're just gonna walk through all this brush. Hopefully we're trying to get down to the river. Are you?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, you better be. Oh my god, bro, ticks. Hey, if you guys don't like ticks, leave a like and a subscription down below. You wanna go down there or
I see
cross first? Yeah. Ooh, this might be a little spooky. Yep, we're about to get wet. Good thing I didn't bring my laptop, or did I? Nope, I'm trying to upload my YouTube video for all you great people wanting more content. So, just wait on that. Yep. Dude, I don't think there's anything big. Okay. Check for ticks. Yep, no ticks. Don't forget. Like, comment, subscribe if you hate ticks. Bro, there might be stuff in like this pocket to our left. Oh, I should probably get
You got you some shoes.
Oh, no way. Is the other one here? I might take them. Oh, yes. Oh, there's some ducks over there. I'm gonna try to fish her right. I think I just saw something pop up. Yeah, make sure my... Oh, you have a fish? Bro, dude, it exploded. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Bro. Oh, bro, is that bad? A largemouth? Hey. Okay. Bro, that's
On the 40-pound line.
yeah. We got 40-pound test line by Anthony. Bro,
That's so fun.
hey y'all. So we didn't get a picture of that fish because Anthony hooked it real good, but it was probably around 2.5 pounds. But anyway. The storm kind of cut us short. Oh yeah, but look, pretty scary storm. Not trying to get wet.
Where are those guys?
I don't know. There's some dudes.
No, they were walking out.
Oh yeah, there's some dudes noodling. I almost caught one of them with one of my hooks. I'm just kidding.
That's one thing.
He came here for stripper and we caught one largemouth bass. So, kind of sucks.
I'll take it.
Hey man.
It was pretty cool to see it